He may be. He may be the breathing dead, the snoring dead.
That's sleeping hard right there.
Like a great sound when he wakes up there.
Jörg! Jörg!
Okay, what's all the rest on me? It's nothing. It's just a dead hooker, a cat. I bet that was warm and comfortable though, wasn't it?
We kept you warm. We didn't want you to freeze.
It was super cozy, except for all the stuff you put into me.
I didn't really put anything.
We didn't really put anything in you.
No, no. That's so awesome. We were yelling your name. Like, wake, Jörg!
It's just yeah! Yeah, fuck you too!
We were trying to
Well, at least you're not going to miss bus call now. That's good.
Yeah, we were trying to wake you up.
Actually, and then we put you behind the bus on a rope and we drove to Lauderdale and then we came back here. You still wouldn't wake up.